Like even in notebook. Okay, you can see here out, towards the back of the hotel, there's a fan. Oh, sorry, there was someone over there, I didn't see them under the lens, but yeah, there's just, like, an employees, like, area. That replaced, like, some cool spinner fan, but since it wasn't outdoor rated, they replaced it with this. But yeah, it's kind of a cool install. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Yeah, because those buildings have elevators.
Yeah.
So,
And a prime location, too.
yes. So here's my
Hey guys, so here's a Hunter original ceiling fan in one of the arcades at Old Key West in Disney World. You see this, wobbles a bit, it's on low, and it's manipulating lights in here, you can see. I'm not gonna flip it, but yeah, that's how, so yeah, you can like, control it by the pull chain. They had it off by the pull chain last time I was here. This time they have it set on low, and then yeah, it just goes on and off the lights. So yeah.
Security clearances. And it says that when there's a credible allegation that raises concern about someone's fitness to access...
Okay guys, here's a Hunter Sierra ceiling fan, one of the laundry rooms at Old Key West. I'm gonna turn it on here. Yeah, the pull chain got removed, so it's on high speed. I'm just gonna let it speed up here. And I'm gonna turn it back on. How much air do these actually blow? I know these are quite common, but you can see, oh yeah, the pull chain is completely removed there. Oh yeah, this one actually seems to blow a pretty good amount of air. It's not great, but it seems to blow a good amount on me, especially for this tiny little room. So yeah, there's the pool out there, but there aren't any fans around. But yeah. That's it guys, thanks for watching.
Figuring out a chord or something. How can we do the change? I can do the light whilst...
I believe these are the kind they had in the hotel. So this is the fan, Hunter Low Profile. So the fan I believe they had in all of the hotel rooms before they were modeled. I'm not for sure, I'd have to look it up, but yeah. But thankfully I think these are cooler than the ones that are currently in the hotel rooms. I think these are much cooler. So thankfully they still have the ones here, but yeah. Yeah, they haven't really remodeled the space much, or any of the other laundry rooms, but yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, rate, and subscribe.
Get down.
It's cold when we get cool, so we should get yeah, we should shave on, right?
Stop. I can't.
So yeah, they have this one set on low. Okay guys, I'm back at the hospitality building, the main building of Old Key West Resort and Disney World. And I already have made a video of these fans from a distance, but they've turned them on. They've, like, the one day I filmed them, they were off, and then every other day I've been staying here, they've had them running. See, this one's on reverse here for some reason. That's not going to do them much good, but yeah. And then there's a few over here that I haven't filmed. As soon as I can get across here. I think they turned these ones down a bit, I'm not sure. And then...
We can bring it back in that many.
There's one right here that I forgot to film on the day I arrived when I was filming all the other ones. Forgot to get this one. It looks like they've turned some down here, like this. These are like slower. Let's see what's... this all looks the same here. This one. But yeah, so that's it. Oh, look, the canopy fell on that one. It's not like a huge deal, but that must have happened recently because I don't remember that on when I filmed here on Sunday. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.